Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I trust you're all doing fine. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Juice and Foods. I make healthy juice, smoothies, and food recipes on this channel. I'm also preparing a few other interesting food-centered series on my channel, so do stay tuned. To my new subscribers, I see you. Thanks so much. I appreciate y'all. And to my loyal subscribers, thanks for always tuning in. You guys are the best. So if you're new here now, just hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification so you're the first to know anytime I upload a new video. So today we're going to the country of Ghana. We're making the popular Kelewele, which is a street food or a snack made of spiced fried plantain. It is so yummy. Knowing how much I love plantains, Kelewele has become a regular at my house, even for breakfast. So let's get into it. For the spices, I'm going to be using 1 red onion, 1 red chili pepper, garlic cloves, ginger, calabash nutmeg. This is what it looks like. It has a shell, and this is what the shell looks like. I'm just going to roast it and then break the shell, and this is what is inside the shell. This is the calabash nutmeg itself. This is what it looks like. Okay, and it gives your kelewele a very nice distinct taste. Okay, and then I have my cloves, about 1 teaspoon, and of course my plantains. So first of all, I am going to grate the ginger, onion, and garlic, and then I'm going to crush in the red chili pepper. I want to make a sort of puree of spices. Then I am going to grind in the dry spices, that is the calabash nutmeg and the cloves. I'm going to grind that finely and add that to the other spices. Lest I forget, I'm also going to add black pepper powder. You could, however, use black peppercorns, but I'm using black pepper powder. And then I'm going to add salt and mix all thoroughly together. Make sure you have washed your plantains thoroughly. I have washed mine to remove any dirt from the skin so it doesn't transfer when I'm cutting. So then I'm going to cut the plantains. It's good to cut them in small pieces. Check out my previous video on how I cut the different ways I cut my plantain. I'll be using the sort of party version here. I'm going to split it down the middle and then cut it into 2. I add the spices to the plantain and mix well, and then I'm going to let it rest for 5 minutes so that the plantain and the spices really infuse together. In that time, I'm going to put my oil on fire, and then I'm going to start by putting in 1 piece of plantain to check how hot my fire is. If it's hot enough, I'm going to add the rest of the plantain. Now, when you're putting your plantain in the oil, try to maximize the oil space because you don't want to be spreading or separating the plantains in the oil, especially at the beginning. You want to give the plantain and the spices enough time to bond in the oil before you try to separate them. Otherwise, if you do it at the beginning, you may end up separating the spices from the plantain. The spices will just burn in the oil and it will be a disaster, which you don't want. Let the plantains fry on medium to high heat. Make sure it becomes golden brown on each side. So when one side browns, turn the other side. When it's done, remove from the oil and place on a serviette to drain excess oil. Depending on how many batches you're frying, after each fry, just make sure that you strain the oil or clean the oil to remove any leftover burnt spices. Otherwise, it will give the next batch a bitter taste and you don't want that. And voila, your kelewele is ready. Serve with roasted peanuts and enjoy. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're still here, it probably means you like my video, so hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and the bell notification so you're the first to know anytime I upload a new video. Leave me a comment as well. How do you guys make your own kelewele? I'd love to know. Which spices do you use? I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao!